Back in 1989, KRC started as a small company doing just field retrofitting. We've since developed that into the remanufacturing, manufacturing, servicing, and complete maintenance service of metal cutting and composite machine tools.
So in the early stages, it was difficult, but there were some really good things that came out of it. We had a good customer base, we were doing work, but we needed to support that with processes and procedures, systems, and those kind of items that would support our operation.
We expanded our facilities here in Northern Kentucky, which allowed us to then get into larger equipment, which is KRC Specialty.
We have 5 divisions now. We have rebuild and retrofit, contract maintenance, our service organization where we go out and do preventive maintenance and emergency maintenance. Then we have the new machines for aerospace, and we have our own brand of machines. KRC is coming out with their own machines, primarily horizontal and vertical boring mills. We're obviously moving from a point when we started where we offered product and services to a time now where we're offering solutions, and that's a big difference.
One of the things that differentiates us between our competition is that we plan projects at a very high level. We have a dedicated engineer that takes on every project individually and then coordinates those into a complete capacity project. And what this allows us to do is make sure that we understand day by day, week by week, month by month, exactly what we need to have done in order to meet the deadline that we've already promised to you.
We want to be great communicators with our customers. They need to know what's going on. So we provide them with the most updated information.
Here at KRC, we believe that our people are the foundation of our company. We want to make sure that our employees are loaded with everything they need to be successful. Simple things like uniforms, cell phones, tool loans. We also believe in training. We want to make sure that our people, that if they desire and need training, we have them in the classes so they can be up to date. Everything that we do is to make sure that the employee has a safe, clean working environment. Because at the end of the day, what makes KRC what KRC is our employees and their hard work and their dedication that they give to us day in and day out.
KRC has a set of core values that they have lived with now for 30 years. We use the acronym PERFECT. The P stands for people. People are our most important resource. The E in PERFECT stands for commitment to excellence. The R stands for long-term relationships. The F in PERFECT stands for future-oriented. We want to stay on the leading edge of technologies. The second E stands for ethical. The C in PERFECT stands for communication. Last but not least, teamwork. We believe in the contribution of all the individuals that make up the team. We want them to share their knowledge and their insight, and we want to make sure that everything goes well as a team.
I'm happy to say that after 30 years in business, we still have some of the same customers we had from day one. Our success over the 30 years was because of the relationships that we built in the business. We do things right, we do things by the book, and we do things above board. If there's something that needs to be shared with the customer, we share it with them. We are very, very happy to be celebrating our 30th year, and we don't see any end in sight. We will be around for many, many years. I'm Scott Ashworth, President here at KRC Machine Tool Solutions.
My name is Tom Luzak. I am the founder and CEO, and that's the KRC story.